my name is Austa, and this time we're going to be making a tractor origami. So then, this is a bit hard, but you will learn to master it in the end. So all you need is a sheet of white paper and some scissors. Let's start off. First step, fold it in half. Make sure all your folds are crisp. Second step, fold it in the middle of the center crease and main crease and repeat it on the other side. Third step is do this. Fourth step is to get these pointy things and fold them in a little bit. Okay, fourth step, fold it in half. Fifth step, take your scissors and get it on the left side, then cut it a little bit, like this. Next step is to fold it back up. Make an accordion fold like this, and the cut should be on the crease. And then all you have to do then is fold it back in half, and then you get this, and with your cut there you make an inside reverse fold. It's a bit hard. Inside reverse fold for the front part of the tractor. And then you go into the back part of the tractor, and then you open it up a little bit, and again inside reverse fold it a little bit. Okay, so then you are done. The tractor is finished like this. So you can decorate it with stickers or anything, but it's your choice. So bye guys, see you on my next video.